Hi, my name is Anya, and this video is sponsored. It's sponsored by Hermes. They've sent me some sugar cones. So for today's video, I'll show you some of the recipes I made with these sugar cones. I would love to see what recipes you would make with these sugar cones, so please leave in the comment section below. Don't forget to give this video a like, and don't forget to subscribe to see more videos.
These sugar cones are so convenient to have in the house. Each box comes with 12 sugar cones. These sugar cones are so versatile, they can be used in many recipes. Today I'll show you two of my favorite recipes to use with these sugar cones. I must say I really like cannolis, and with this recipe you can easily whip up some cannolis in a few minutes. To make the filling, in a bowl with 3/4 cup of ricotta cheese, which has been drained, mix until smooth. Sift in 1/4 cup of icing sugar and mix until creamy. Add in 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence and mix until well combined. Open the sugar cones and pull one out. Pipe the ricotta mixture into the cones. Then dip into some chocolate chips. And look how cool that looks. Continue to do this until the ricotta mixture is finished. I absolutely love cannolis, and this is such a quick and easy way to have cannolis in just a few minutes. They taste absolutely delicious. Now on to the next recipe. This recipe is the classic ice cream cone. First, dip the ice cream cones into some melted chocolate. Add a scoop of ice cream. I added the Hermes vanilla ice cream scoop mix. Now normally a strawberry sauce would go on top, and a strawberry sauce will go on top, but I made a fresh strawberry sauce which works so well with these ice cream cones. Continue assembling the rest of the cones. These cones are the perfect treat to enjoy on a hot summery day. If you want to try the product in today's video, just go to the Hermes website, www.cones.co.za.